Oh boy, this is juicier yet. Having a nice, relaxing Sunday drive one day, and all of a sudden, a storm of horrendous driving decides to interrupt this beautiful day. Crackhead Kathy's distant cousin, Trashy Trisha, can't manage a meth lab without blowing up her single wide. Makeup and eyeliner are not going to fix her stupidity. Then she drives annoyingly slow and has trouble maintaining her lane. After enduring this snail on Xanax pace, finally an opportunity to pass. But there's a second problematic driver lurking. Deadhead Derek way back here wants to tailgate and speed like a maniac, and here he is passing someone, albeit legally. After he catches up to our slowpoke, he goes for the illegal pass. Now he's gonna fly up behind us, but we don't want anything to do with him. Sometimes the best way to deal with a speeding tailgater truly is to just pull over and let them pass. All of this was more painful than trying to swallow a porcupine. This road is dangerous. You have to watch for potholes, sinkholes, and assholes. Oh look, there's an asshole right here, driven by a lady who looks as fake as a cheap inflatable sex doll. Only that doll has a midlife crisis, or perhaps a bad case of the Hershey squirts. Roses are red, violets are blue, get out of my way, 'cause I have to poo. Now she's using an ending merge lane to pass more cars as she speeds off at around 90 miles per hour. This driving version of vaginal flatulence doesn't yield to anybody. He or she nearly causes a crash with this driver, fails to yield to this one, and fails to yield to the camera.
They are shameless. They have no shame. They don't have a desire.
Boy, now he's going real slow for 7FK.
Now that driving was about as tasteless as eating out of a used colostomy bag.
On. Just a chance to go.
Drunk-tard Drake here can't hold his lane. But he's not the main star. Sorry to steal his thunder, but Cranky Chrissa earns the spotlight. She's driving very slow. The speed limit increases to 55, but she's still going 25. The snail on Xanax pace is getting real annoying. But we made a mistake here. Before the passing zone begins, there's a break in the lines, and evenly spaced shadowing on the lines, sort of creating the illusion of dashed lines, but they weren't. So, whoops on that. Cranky Chrissa doesn't like being passed, so she beeps. She beeps even though she was the one creating a constipated traffic flow.
I'm not gonna file mine.
Fuck
you! Fuck you!
That's because...
This lady is what stupid looks like. She jaywalks and then walks right behind us as we're reversing into a parking space. She's so stupid, she'd climb a glass wall to see what's on the other side.
You really should have planned ahead. I mean, are you going to block traffic, huh?
And keep living there for some time. Are you tired of dealing with realtors?
There he goes.
With fire? My name is Jason with Top Office. I want to buy your house.
Some people really don't like that I stop completely at stop signs. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to slow down your road trip to Hawaii.
I'll get another publication out of it. That's what academics is all about. Very good. She claims it's true. And I just say yes to her. So, all right. Well, I told you you're married in 20 years. I think that's probably a good strategy. Dr. George, further use that professor of epidemiology. Thanks so much for the information. I'm trying to
Did
speak.
he just cheat the
truth to what's
line?
going on
Oh,
with,
boy.
we move forward here and try to protect it.
Holy shit.
Wreck-It Robert suffers from a chromatic disorder. In his eyes, green means go, yellow means speed up, and red means floor it.
Oh, nice.
Yep, he ran the light.
Oh, nice.
Needless to say, he failed color theory and failed to impress any ladies nearby.
Created 1 gallon of this briny water. Well, now they say no, it's more like 1.5 gallons of briny water. Briny water can be 5 times more salt than seawater. So you have to check out your job, and you've got to really be smart about how you do that. The other thing is.
That guy stopped for? That was weird.
And that constant shift will continue to bring additional folks. So in the meantime, you've got Democrats who are saying we are
Why are you
ready.
stopping
All
on a
other
green
COVID
light, Kyle?
rules have gone away. This one needs
And the day of the attack on the Capitol.
The Secret Service saying mobile device upgrades and legal clearances delayed its response to a January 6th committee request for text messages that were lost on some devices. A secret...
Instead of parking further up and doing what he needs to do over there, they decide to pull up and stop right behind me, right as I put the car in reverse to back up. Oh, finally! That was about as stupid as selling one's car for gas money. Alright guys, there's a lot more exciting content to come, so be sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, drop a comment below, give us a thumbs up and share. Also, check out some of our other videos. Thank you for watching.